Today I'm looking at the Lululun Hydra F Black Sheet Mask. I've tried a lot from Lululun, but this is my first time with the black one, which stands out because the sheet itself is black and contains charcoal. The formula also includes ingredients like plant oils and fermented extracts that are commonly used in Japanese skincare. Like most Lululun masks, it comes in a reusable pack with multiple sheets inside, so you can just pull one out when you want to use it. I personally like this style because it's quick and easy compared to individually wrapped masks, and the brand sells bulk sizes too, so you can save money and packaging by honing in on your favorite mask and getting the bigger package. The sheets are soft and fairly saturated with essence, but not so much that it'll be messy when you remove a folded mask from the package, and it sits comfortably on the face for about 10 minutes or so. The scent is lightly herbal with this one, with notes like eucalyptus and tea tree, so it feels a bit more refreshing compared with some sweeter smelling masks I've tried, and I prefer this. The only drawback to all Lululun masks, in my opinion, is the fit on my face. Of course, this depends on your face, but I find the cuts to be quite off, or maybe I'm just doing it wrong, I don't know. But it really doesn't matter at the end of the day. The juice gets into the face.
Actually, the cut is different on this particular mask. There's a bigger nose filling. I guess they don't want the charcoal pieces to get inside the nose area. I don't know. But it fits better. The mask also feels a little heavier. Maybe that's just my imagination than the other Lululemon masks I've tried.
Feels like my face is bound.
If, like me, you enjoy trying different sheet masks as part of your routine, this is an interesting one to check out, especially if you're curious about charcoal-based formulas. Recommend.